Hello, this is Ken. Welcome to my channel. Here's my partner. And we're gonna have a quick review with our RS125Fi, slightly modified. Alright, so just a moment. Let's check it here. Alright. Okay, here it is. So I have here the Rhizoma side mirror with the RCB, or rather DBS brake lever, and a shark power brake fluid cup, and a KRS rim. We also have this modified R150 stock muffler that is attached with this RS125Fi. Quick review here. Alright, I'm so sorry if medyo walang hugas kasi maulan dito. Let's try to have a quick sound test. Right, I have also the switch here, on and off. And this is the sound test of this Raider R150.